Hello, friends. So, today I want to do something that I was told that can be done. Not from a detailer, but from somebody who is not a detailer. This last weekend, I was at work having a conversation with a coworker, and we were talking detailing. And he said, you don't need a detailer for the outside of your car. All you need to do is go to the car wash, rinse it off, and it's good to go. He said, you could even dry it off and it'll still be good to go. And I looked at him and I smiled and I said, don't you watch my YouTube channel? Because you just gave me a video idea. So let's go do what he says. We don't need to detail the car because all we got to do is go to the car wash, rinse it off, and we can dry it and it'll be good to go. So let's see. Today is the perfect day to test this obviously ridiculous theory because we just had some pretty severe thunderstorms move through in the last 48 hours and the car was a mess. Looks pretty good from a distance, doesn't it? But my grandma always said, a man always looks good when he's a little farther away. So as you saw, that didn't work out so well, but that's okay. I'll wash it and make sure it's good to go. I'm just curious, did that come clean? I knew you were full of crap when you said it. Okay, so I think I proved a point, right? I'm not going to sit here and have a battle of the sexes with somebody like you. And I may not be the best detailer out there. I may not know everything there is to know. But on this one, I know more than you.